So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Have you ever clicked an app, seen it on taskbar, and even found it in Alt plus Tab, but the actual window is nowhere to be found? Before you force close the app or restart your computer, there's a good chance nothing has crashed at all. If you recently disconnected a monitor, unlocked your laptop or changed display resolution or scaling, or even finished a remote desktop session, Windows may simply be remembering the Window's last position, even if that position is now off-screen. So in this video, I'll show you several safe ways to bring that missing window back. Let's get started. Before trying to fix anything, confirm that the application is actually open. Press Alt plus Tab to cycle through your running apps. You can also press Windows plus Tab to open Task View and see whether the application appears there. If the app is visible on the taskbar, hover over its icon and to look for the thumbnail preview. If you're still unsure, open Task Manager and verify that the application is running. At this stage, it's important to distinguish between a few different situations. The window may simply be off-screen, it could be minimized, the application could have stopped responding, or it may only be running in the notification area near the system tray. Don't end the task yet. First, try recovering the window. Now, this is often the quickest solution. Select the missing application using Alt plus Tab. Then press Windows plus Shift plus left arrow, or Windows plus Shift plus right arrow. Windows moves the active window from one display to another. If you've previously used more than two monitors, press the shortcut again until the window reaches your current screen. In many cases, the application immediately reappears without any additional changes. Now, if part of the window is still attached to the current desktop, Windows Snap can help. With the application selected, press Windows plus left arrow or right arrow. You can also press Windows plus Z to open Snap layouts and choose a position on your current display. This forces Windows to place the application into a visible area of the desktop. If your window is completely invisible, Windows still provides a classic recovery method. Select the application with Alt plus Tab. Press Alt plus space. Then press M for move. Then press any arrow key once. Now move your mouse or continue using the arrow keys. As soon as the hidden window reaches visible screen, press Enter to place it. If the move option isn't available, restore the window from a minimized or maximized state first, then try again. On some applications, you can also hold Shift. Right-click the application's taskbar icon and choose Move if that option appears. Now, if shortcuts haven't worked yet, temporarily disable the missing monitor. Press Windows plus P. Select PC screen only, then Windows usually moves accessible windows onto the remaining display. Once you've recovered the application, reconnect your second monitor and switch back to Extend mode. Avoid choosing second screen only if your external monitor isn't currently connected. If windows continue appearing in unexpected places, verify your main monitor layout. Just open Settings. Go to System, then Display. Click Identify to display a number on each connected monitor. Compare those numbers with your physical displays. Then check left and right monitor placement, vertical alignment, display selection, extend versus display resolution, and even scaling. If the arrangement doesn't match your actual setup, Windows may place windows into areas that aren't where you expect them to be. While you're still in display settings, scroll to multiple displays. Look for options such as remember window location based on monitor connection and minimize windows when a monitor is disconnected. These settings help Windows automatically manage applications' windows when monitoring or docking stations are connected and disconnected. Once you've recovered the missing window, help prevent the problem from restarting, just move the application completely onto the display where you normally use it. Resize it into a regular window if it's maximized, then close the application normally, reopen it, and try again. And that's it, guys. If this tutorial helped you out recovering a missing window, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 11 tips. And let me know in the comments which shortcut brought your app back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.